Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you delicious low-carb recipes that are both healthy and satisfying. Today, we have a mouth-watering dish that's sure to become a new favorite: low-carb Philly Cheesesteak Sliders. Get ready to indulge without the guilt. So, let's dive right in. First, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. We have thinly sliced beef, onions, green bell peppers, provolone cheese, olive oil, salt, and pepper. For the marinade, you'll need low-sodium soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Lastly, we have some small low-carb slider buns, but if you prefer, you can use lettuce wraps for a carb-free option. Now let's start by preparing the marinade. In a bowl, we'll whisk together the low-sodium soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. This combination of flavors will give our beef a fantastic taste. Next, take your thinly sliced beef and add it to the marinade, making sure it's evenly coated. Let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to allow those flavors to penetrate the meat. Once the beef has marinated, heat up some olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the beef to the skillet and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it's nicely browned. Then, set it aside for now. In the same skillet, add some thinly sliced onions and green bell peppers. Sauté them for about 4 to 5 minutes until they become soft and slightly caramelized. Season with a bit of salt and pepper to taste. Now, it's time to assemble our low-carb Philly Cheesesteak Sliders. Take your low-carb slider buns or lettuce wraps and slice them in half horizontally. If you're using the buns, place the bottom halves on a baking sheet. Divide the cooked beef evenly among the buns, spreading it out to cover the surface. Next, top each portion of beef with our delicious sautéed onions and bell peppers. These will add incredible flavor and texture to our sliders. Now, let's add a slice of provolone cheese on top of the onions and bell peppers for that classic Philly cheesesteak experience. It's time to melt that cheese. Place the baking sheet with the sliders under the broiler for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. And just like that, our low-carb Philly cheesesteak sliders are ready. Look at how fantastic these sliders look. The aroma is incredible, and they're packed with flavor, all while being low in carbs. Absolutely delicious. The tender beef, the savory onions and peppers, and the gooey melted cheese come together in each bite to create a truly satisfying experience. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for low-carb Philly cheesesteak sliders. They're perfect for parties, game nights, or whenever you're craving a delicious and low-carb meal. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty and healthy recipes like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.